The ocean is my sanctuary. It's shaped me since childhood. I'm seeing the effects and changes humans are making on a daily basis. The 8 million tonnes of plastic that finds its way to our oceans covers the tide line on my local beach. What will we pass on to the next generation? I pay my rent on this planet by striving to look after it. Here at Internet Fusion, we've been fighting plastic pollution since 2015. And in 2018, the year when single use was the word of the year, we've adopted technology to assist us in this fight. My name is Adam Hall, father, outdoor lover, and head of sustainability at Internet Fusion Group. Our warehouse is one of the most sustainable, state-of-the-art buildings in the UK, with a wide range of environmental credentials that we continuously build upon. We run on 100% renewable electricity and 100% biogas contracts. We are also quadrupling our existing solar PV systems and are working towards a zero to landfill site with high recycling rates. Our business is based on providing our customers with the best kit to enjoy getting out into the great outdoors. In 2017, our own packaging was 91% plastic free, and we've continued reducing plastic ever since. We're also working with over 750 brands that supply us, assisting them to remove all unnecessary packaging from their products. This year, automation is boosting our fight against plastic pollution and climate change in the shape of the CVP 500 packaging solution from Neopost. We now have 2 in our operation, helping us further eliminate plastic packaging and reducing each parcel's carbon footprint. When a product is ready to leave us and go on an adventure with our customers, a single operator loads the order onto the CVP 500. The 3D scanner captures the dimensions of singular or multiple item order. The cardboard is cut and creased to create a perfect footprint for the product. The item is then tightly wrapped in the box, and paper tape is then applied to seal the package. The final weight of the order is measured and a shipping label is applied. The CVP 500 does all that up to 15 times faster than regular packing, saving us time and excess packaging material. As a result of the 2 CVP 500 machines in our warehouse, annually we are saving 11,000 cubic metres of cardboard, require 90 less lorry loads to deliver our products, we are saving 5,600 trees, and of course we don't have to fill the empty spaces in our boxes with paper or bubble wrap. With the made-to-measure packaging, the CVP 500 may well give us the opportunity to remove the product's original plastic packaging, recycle it, and provide our customers with an entirely plastic-free order. We share our customers' values when it comes to looking after our favourite places, and it's our responsibility to tackle our environmental challenges head-on. There really is no time to waste. That's why we are using automation in our fight against plastic pollution and climate change.